Welcome to the new video.
Welcome! Welcome sa panibagong video. So, today ito-try namin yung hair.
Anong hair?
Anong hair? Anong gagawin sa hair?
Japanese hair spa!
Wow! Let's go try it. Kung worth it ba siya. And I think this is new thing or new service na
Ino-offer nila dito sa Cayman Islands.
in-offer nila dito. We've never heard about it sa ilang or to all of the spa in the Cayman Islands. So, let's go try it out. Tara! Let's go!
Let's go!
Dito lang sila guys, malapit sa A.L. Thompson Runabout. Tapos, ito yun na yung papuntang Eastern Avenue. So, nandun yung Ruby's, tapos andito yung Ace. So, katabi lang siya. Tara na! Nasa upuan, nag-wait.
Buisit ka.
My name is Tan and I'm gonna be your therapist for today. And this is Irene.
Hello
So
po!
gonna do the massage and I'm gonna do the Japanese head spa.
Hello! So, tapos na kami sa appointment namin. Pauwi na kami. I feel very much pampered.
Yes.
Kamusta naman ang experience mo?
First time ko maka-experience nung sa scalp massage. Actually, it's very worth the price. Lalo na may free pang blow dry. Ngayon parang feeling ko ang lambot ng hair ko. Parang kang nagpa-salon pero more on scalp siya. So I think it's very nice to try. Kung sasabihin natin na kung uulitin mo, ikaw, uulitin mo.
Oo naman, uulitin ko. Kasi talagang kinayod nila yung kinayod.
Talagang
feeling
kinayod
ko
yun.
feeling ko ang linis ng scalp ko.
Yung water, na yung feeling, tapos yung pag-wash ng hair. Yung imbis na magpapa-blow dry ka, kung ikaw ay nagpapa-blow dry regularly sa salon, I think it's better to do scalp treatment.
Head spa.
Head spa. I think. For me, that's much worth the price. Or worth the time as well. And everything else. Mas okay siya kaysa magpapa-blow dry ka lang. Kasi may blow dry naman eh.
Oh.
Libre naman yung blow dry. So,
It's very informative naman yung stuff about sa scalp care, yung mga ganon. So, and nakaka-relax talaga siya, very relaxing. Lalo na yung massage din, ay nagustuhan ko din yung massage talaga.
yeah. Tuturuan ka pa nila kung paano mag-wash ng hair. At
actually.
saka kung ano yung mga applicable na products para sa hair mo. Tas sabihin nila kung medyo oily or medyo sticky or kung marami ka nang nilalagay na product sa hair mo tas hindi mo nawawash ng maigi. They will tell you that. So,
Wow.
I think it's a great spot to do it. And it's a nice try
Mhm.
to do it as well in the Cayman Islands. So, yes.
Certified. Sarap.
Yes. Certified
Masarap.
sarap. Syrup yarn.
Certified na nakaka-relax.
Yes.
Sobrang. Gusto ko nga
And-
ulit gawin bukas eh. Joke.
Agad. Inaaraw. And the staff are friendly then. So that's a plus point.
Mm.
And I feel like my hair feels lighter and softer. Parang anong nagpa-treatment.
Yun nga, ang light niya sa buhok. At saka yung scalp talaga, feeling ko ang linis-linis ang scalp ko. Parang wala na akong scalp, gano'n. Diba?
Oh, yes. Nagpa-massage din kami to try.
Ang masasabi lang namin is it's really good. It's really relaxing. Wala nang ibang, ang daming sinabi, di ba? So, punta na kayo.
Punta na kayo. Bukas pala sila ng Sunday.
Every day,
So,
actually, bukas sila.
If you guys are on the hectic schedule weekdays, open sila ng Sunday.
At saka nagbigay pala sila ng loyalty card. So, pag napuno mo yata yung, meron ka atang something na service. Hindi pa alam kung ano yung service. But we'll see, di ba?
Malay mo, heads pa.
Wow.
Di ba? Why not? That's it for today!
That's it. So that's it for today's video. If may gusto pa kayong video like this, like reviewing places or reviewing restaurants, trying a lot of food, just comment down below kung anong gusto nyong makita dito sa Cayman Islands habang nandito pa kami sa Cayman Islands.
Hindi mo alam kung hanggang kailan lang kami dito, di ba?
Hanggang nandito pa. So, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. What's this?
Below.
Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Bye!
Bye!